Hi everyone, in this video I will present how the BikeMaster brake fluid tester works by using it on old brake fluid and new brake fluid. It's actually this device here. It works with a battery and it has this button on top, so when you press it and it detects humidity, it turns red, but if the brake fluid is new, then it turns green, which means you don't have to replace it. So I've already replaced the brake fluid here. As you can see, I'm pumping out the old one. I've already put new brake fluid on my bike, so I will insert this into the fluid and push the button and it turns green. Makes sense because it's brand new. I'll wipe it here. You don't want brake fluid to touch your bike. At the same time, I'll use the same tester after wiping it a little more over here. I'll test it on old brake fluid. I haven't replaced the rear fluid yet. So I'll put it in and hit the button and it's red. It means it has a lot of moisture in there. It's actually pretty old. It's been there for I think a couple of years. So I haven't used the bike much and now I'm about to start using it again. So it's time to get new fluids in there. Thanks for watching.